Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of short-term rentals, where lucrative opportunities await? If you're eager to dive into this thriving market and make the most out of your investment, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 5 invaluable tips that will empower you to successfully manage your rental properties like a seasoned pro, while simultaneously maximizing your returns. So, whether you're a seasoned investor seeking to expand your portfolio or a novice enthusiast looking to dip your toes into the realm of property management, these tips will provide you with the essential knowledge and strategies to thrive in this dynamic industry. Get ready to unlock the secrets of short-term rental success and take your investments to new heights. Create a beautiful but accurate listing. High-quality photographs play a crucial role in influencing guest decisions when booking a specific short-term rental. To entice potential guests and give them a virtual experience of your property, it is essential to provide detailed descriptions and high-resolution photos showcasing pristine, well-illuminated rooms. Never underestimate the impact of photography and consider engaging a professional photographer to capture your property's best features. According to Airbnb, hosts who showcase high-quality photos generally earn 40% more revenue compared to their counterparts in the same area. Furthermore, upgrading your photos can also allow you to command higher nightly prices for your rental. Hire a property manager. If you're utilizing a vacation rental management platform such as Vacasa or Turnkey, you likely have your property management needs covered. However, if you're listing your rental on booking sites like Airbnb, it's advisable to consider enlisting the services of a reputable property manager. Otherwise, be prepared to handle the day-to-day responsibilities independently, which encompass tasks such as creating online listings, securing bookings, coordinating check-ins, managing tenant communication, rent collection, scheduling cleaning and maintenance, and more. It's important to bear in mind that you should factor in your property management costs when determining the rental price to ensure immediate positive cash flow. Prioritize maintenance and cleanliness. Ensure your short-term rental maintains a strong reputation and maximizes profits by prioritizing maintenance. Leaky faucets, chipped paint, musty bathrooms, or a malfunctioning air conditioning system are definite deal breakers for potential guests. Neglecting maintenance puts your rental at risk of receiving negative reviews, as dissatisfied guests are likely to share their experiences, deterring future bookings. Offer attractive amenities and features. To cultivate repeat visitors and garner positive reviews, it's essential to offer a range of amenities that enhance your guests' experience. Consider the impact of complimentary perks such as free parking, a well-stocked kitchen, a welcoming bottle of wine, access to Netflix, local guidebooks, and high-quality towels. These thoughtful touches make a significant difference. For instance, if your rental is situated near a beach, going the extra mile by providing complimentary beach chairs and toys can truly impress your guests. To ensure proper upkeep, kindly request that guests hose off the beach equipment after each use. Focus on getting positive reviews. Outstanding reviews have the power to sway potential guests in your favor, making all the difference between them choosing your rental over nearby competitors. To secure the best possible ratings, it's crucial to prioritize certain key aspects. Firstly, prioritize clear and prompt communication with guests, ensuring their inquiries and concerns are addressed on time. Secondly, provide accurate descriptions and high-quality photos that truly represent your rental. Additionally, focus on offering amenities and features that create a comfortable and welcoming environment, making guests feel right at home. By going the extra mile to ensure that early renters have an exceptional experience and leave 5-star reviews, you will reap long-term benefits and establish a strong reputation. By conducting thorough research, meticulous preparation, and paying close attention to detail, landlords who manage short-term rentals can significantly boost their profitability. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you're curious about the pros and cons of investing in short-term or long-term rentals, we have another video ready for you. Simply click on the video displayed on your screen to explore the comprehensive analysis. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you once again.